Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a portfolio page on Squarespace step by step. I'm showing you this on Squarespace 7.1. First, open the Pages panel from the left-hand sidebar of your Squarespace dashboard. The Pages panel will open up showing your entire site structure with all your pages listed out. Next, click on the portfolio page that contains the project you want to duplicate. The portfolio page will expand, and you'll see all the individual projects inside it displayed as sub-items beneath the main portfolio page. In Squarespace 7.1, portfolio pages show each project as a separate child item in this list. Now, hover your mouse over the specific project you want to duplicate. When you do that, a three-dot menu will appear next to the project name. Click those three dots, then click Settings from the menu that pops up. This opens the Project Editor panel, where you can modify all the project details. Once the project editor loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that panel. You'll see a duplicate button sitting there at the bottom. Click it, and the system will immediately create a copy. The duplicate will appear at the bottom of your portfolio page right away. It'll have the same title as the original project, but with the word copy added in brackets at the end. The duplicate automatically opens in the Settings panel, so you can start editing it straight away. Here's what you need to do next. First, change the project title to something unique so it doesn't clash with the original. Then update the URL slug. This is important because Squarespace won't automatically generate a new URL for the copy, and you don't want two projects sharing the same web address. The duplicate copies everything from the original project, including all content blocks, images, layout, and settings, so you'll want to swap out the featured image and edit the actual content to differentiate it from the source project. One thing to watch out for, portfolio pages have a hard limit of 60 projects total. If you've already hit that limit, the duplicate button will be grayed out and you won't be able to click it until you delete an existing project to make room. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.